Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to use Amrev Data Recovery Software to recover deleted, lost, or formatted files from your storage devices. As you can see, the software detects all available storage devices, including internal hard drives, external USB drives, memory cards, and pen drives. For this demonstration, we'll select the F drive and click Scan. Before starting the scan, you can choose the types of files you want to recover. For example, if you're looking for only photos or videos, simply select those file types. You can also select multiple categories. If you want to recover everything, choose all files and click OK. The software first performs a normal scan, which quickly finds recently deleted files. Once the normal scan is complete, it automatically starts the advanced scan. The advanced scan performs a deeper search of the drive to recover files that cannot be found during the normal scan. This includes data from formatted drives, permanently deleted files, and other lost data. It thoroughly scans the storage device to recover as many files as possible. Once the scan reaches 100%, the recovery process is complete. The recovered files are organized by file type, making it easy to browse the results. Simply select a category to view the recovered files in the right-hand pane. You can preview supported file types before recovery. For example, selecting an MP4 file displays a preview, allowing you to verify that it's the file you want to recover. Preview availability depends on the file type and the condition of the recovered data. To recover your files, select the files or folders you want to save. By default, all recovered files are selected, but you can easily check or uncheck individual files as needed. Finally, click Save, choose a destination folder, and select Start Save. Your recovered files will then be restored to the selected location. Thank you for watching. We hope Amrev Data Recovery Software helps you recover your valuable data quickly and easily.